Alright guys, so we're recording and we've got me, Mom, Nikki, and we're gonna get the cows moved through here, through the alleyway, through the gate, going around. They're gonna go all the way up to that area right there. They're gonna go down the fence line where they would start, all the way down the fence line, and we're gonna end up all the way back there in the furthest pasture up against the pine trees. That's moving the girls. Then we're gonna have to go over here, take Samson, this one right here, and we're gonna have to take him, pop him through that right there, through this, put him in the alleyway, and then he's gonna follow the girls, also meet up with the girls, and we're gonna start our fall breeding for 2025 with Samson. That's another bull yelling. And that's Tallahassee. This is Tallahassee. Samson, Ace, and then Tank and Smoke is a little bit down there. So we'll go get the cows over here, get them moving, and I will try to set the phone up so y'all can see that without me standing behind them, unless it's not going to work out that well. So stay tuned. They think they are moving where Nikki is and not where I am. But I have the gate here. Right there. Come on, girls! Come on! Spin her around. Babe! Hey, what are you gonna do, Mom? Come on. Get over here. Whatever. Now let's worry about to get in the calves where they should be. So baby cow went first. We gotta get the rest of them moving. We gotta get these little guys moving up with the herd too. All right, come on. Come on. Y'all go over there. Y'all move with everybody else. Come on. Good. Y'all doing good. Come on. Come on, move with everybody else. Mom! Mom! Come on. with everybody else. Come on, with everybody else. Come on, with everybody else. Go up here, come on. Come on.
You got it.
Come on, guy. We have one that's doing decent. Mom, stop. All right. All right, come on, guys. All right, come on, guys. Come on.
Okay, I'll let Chase watch out. Somebody's coming back.
Okay. Come on.
She's scared of Mickey.
All right, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Who's that right there, Chase?
Good.
That's a long path to go down.
No, just hold it. Once we get these guys up, once we get them closer, then we'll go back and get Samson and bring him up and put him in the alleyway. I just don't want the calves to be left back here because the distance we got to move is quite a bit of distance. You can see all the other calves took off running earlier, and now we just have these three guys. I just want to make sure we get up there. Come on, guys. Because if we get separated, you can see this is the evening time, the sun's going down. They get separated when it's dark, then it's just going to turn into a disaster.
All right. Out of the way, guys.
Come on. Come on. I may want to... Yeah, babe, thank you for coming over here. Can you drop that? We're gonna need to get the calves moved down there because else they're just gonna run back and forth. All right, come on, girl. Good girl. And the calves are just running back and forth. Come on. You're okay.
Y'all are having a good time. I know. Come on. You gotta go down that way.
Come on, girls. Babe, put that wire up, please. A low one.
Is her mom over there? Is
I
one
don't
of
know.
those three out?
Fast, please.
Come on, 3-0. Get your baby and go.
Y'all are okay. Come on. Keep everybody moving. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. If we don't keep them moving, then the calves are going to 100% try to go back where they came from. And we obviously, shake that wire. We obviously don't want that to happen. Yes, little guys are hungry, but we've got to keep everybody moving or else the calves will always want to go back where they came from. Obviously, if we have a calf come back where he came from, then, come on, boy, then that's not going to be good. The distance too, this is the furthest they've ever moved, which doesn't help the situation either. All right, come on. Come on. Come on, boy, come on. Come on, girl. Y'all keep going. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, little boy. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on. Come on. Mikey. This turned into a quite an interesting trip. Come on, girls. Come on, Lily. There's no need to run. Mom, watch out. I don't know why they want to run like that. I can't stop them. Where'd the little calf go? Little brown guy. Well, that was quite interesting. And we need to go get the brown, little brown calf over there with them. So that's one thing that you can obviously see what happened. We'll let them through, they're moving good, and they kind of get stalemated and the calves want to run back the opposite direction. Well, we obviously don't want that to happen because we don't want the cows and calves separated. So we have to get Mom in front to pull the cows to keep going. But the bad part is once they see the exit, or I guess the exit into the field, that's when they obviously start all running. But you don't want to be in the way of that when the time comes for them running. That's not good. So we just need to get this little guy over and everyone will be over here. Hey, we just gotta get this little guy over, Mom. Hopefully he just goes under the wire. I might be able to come over here and lift it up where he'll go under it. None of the fence is hot. And other way. And there he is. So y'all see the fence is not hot. I'm grabbing it. Fence is not hot. Everyone's moved. We've got to obviously count the calves and make sure we have 8. We're going to try to go get Samson. I'm not sure how well that's going to work now since all the girls are down here. But we may have to change our plan now. So we're gonna go over, count 8 calves. We got all 8 of them. 8 calves.
Oh, hey, you just hit the calf. Is that Lily?
Yeah.
Oh,
We got 3 there. 3 over there. We have 4, 5, 6, 7 over there. And just seeing 7 this very second. So over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, 6 over there. I see 7 in the far distance, and I see 8. So we have all 8 of our calves over here, and we're gonna have to at some point get Samson over here, but that's not gonna work out very well, I don't think, because now they're all over here. All the bulls are. But we made it over here, and once I figure out what we're gonna do with Samson, then I'll start videoing again, and we'll get Samson over here. All right, so this is the plan. We're gonna go over here, the opposite direction that I was going to bring him in. Going to open the fence up without an alleyway and try to bring him down here.
oh, it's up there. I think that's the one back there.
So Mom and Nikki are gonna man the fences, and then we'll bring Samson over here and see if we can get him. He's over here. We're gonna try to get him to go down y'all can go, down to this field, hit this alleyway here, come up, and then obviously he'll dump right into the field that we're standing in. And then we've got to get minerals moved, water moved, but the calves and cows are together and the sun hasn't gone down yet. So that's positive. Lots of broom straw, we'll shoot a video on that. But for now, let's get Samson moved over here and start our fall 2025 breeding. And this will be the first time that Samson will be breeding cows and heifers. Also have shot a video on Samson already, and be sure to go back and watch that video. Pretty good video about Samson, kind of the history he's had here at the farm, and I'm sure he's going to be excited when he comes over here.
Okay, so I'm just going to open the shop.
Yeah, just open it up as long as they don't come back through here. The cows, that is. All right, babe, we'll go up here and we'll bring Samson through. Come here, Sam.
Can I see him?
All right. Hey, Mo. Take that reel, undo it, go around all the bulls, get Samson, go around Samson, and bring him back through here.
This is Chicago.
I know. Just keep it tight. Here, I'll do the shoe video. Hush. Come here, Sam. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, Samson. Good boy, come here. You're okay. Come here. Sam, come here. Oh, that didn't work out very well. You're okay. Come here, Sam. Go on with the girls, boy. Come on. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Turn around, boy. Good boy. I've got this. Untie that other wire. Alright, so we're going to try to get Samson down through that alleyway. Let's try to spread out, I guess, and try to just corral him that way.
You have the back.
I can get the back. So.
Come on, boy.
Come on, Sam.
Come on, Sam.
You're going to have grass over there, and you got girls over there too, boy. Come on.
Sam.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, boy.
Come on, boy.
Come on, Sam.
You got lots of grass over there too, boy.
Bobby.
Come on.
Sam.
Come on.
Like, directing that traffic. Come on, Samson. Come on. Come on.
Maybe one of these days we'll get him down here. Of course, they're over here misbehaving. But I guess when we get Samson going that direction, I guess I'll start recording again.
Let's go, boy.
Because I've made it take him a little while.
Let's go.
Come on, boy.
Let's go.
Come on.
He's like,
Okay, we're over there. Well, he sees the girls. Good boy. He's loving that grass for sure.
gotta get every bite before he goes.
The funny thing is to see what he does when he actually finds out that the girls over there and he has a straight line to them.
Turn it on. Turn it. Come on, Sam. Turn it. Samson. Come on. Sam.
Come on, boy.
Come on, Bubby. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Uh-oh.
What is? Never seen this before. He's putting the show on. Oh, okay. This is interesting. We gotta go get that gate closed up there. No, I ain't gonna walk in the field with him. Alright, well, Samson has been introduced. And this is his first time. This is pretty exciting for him. So we've got to get the gate where we moved the girls closed up. We got to get that closed up ASAP. We've got to get their water checked, make sure everything is good to roll on that ASAP. And then we'll come back here and see how he's doing. But there he is, and he's already getting to work. So happy Thanksgiving, Sam. This is your first time breeding, boy. We'll be back as soon as we get everything closed up.
You might want to try another.
Alright guys, so I got the field closed up. I got the minerals brought over here. And Nikki said that Samson was over here somewhere. So I'll come over here real fast. See if I can find him really quick. And show y'all old Sam getting to work. So Samson was the first calf that was born on our farm. He was born in April, I think it was April the 1st. And Samson is right there. He's already with somebody. So he was born on our farm April the, I think it was 1st. I forgot what year. I'll put his date of birth in the screen right now. But he was the first calf born on our farm. We kept him and we wanted to see how he turned out for a bull, to see if we could use him as a bull, and he turned out really, really good. I've shot a video on him already once, so if you want to know more about Samson, then go watch that video. I'm not sure what number it is, or what episode it is rather, but he's already over here getting to work. The sun, I think, has finally set. Yep, the sun is finally set. All the girls are over here. 8 calves are over here for the fall, and Samson is over here getting to work. So that will be all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of us moving the cows and showing y'all how sometimes it kind of turns into a disaster. But this is farming, and we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, comment below. Shoot us an email in the description below. Tell a friend and family member about our farm. Thanks for watching, guys.